Good morning, student. Let's go for the next problem. Draw a flexible budget for the overhead expenses on the basis of the following details and determine the overhead rate. See, two questions they asked. One is flexible budget. In that, determine the overhead rate. That also they asked. Okay. At last, we have to calculate from the total cost. We have to divide the labor hour. You will get the labor hour rate. That we will do it at the last at 70%, 80%, and 90% of plant capacity. See that particulars with three amount column given 70%, 80%, 90%, but informations are given for 80%. See that variable overhead, indirect labor 12,000, stores 4,000, and semi-variable overheads, power 60%, fixed, repairs 60% fixed, then 40% is variable, so we have to do the working note. Fixed overheads, fixed means the amounts of depreciation, insurance, salary 11,000, 3,000, 10,000 will be same for all the capacity. Okay, fixed means amount is constant, so we can take the same amounts in all the column. See, in this problem, the units produced is not given. Units produced is not given, so per unit column is not at all required. Just we can go for doing the problem directly, but only two working note we have to do. I think you can understand the working note. See that power 60% fixed and 40% variable. So power given is 20,000. Fixed out of 20,000, 60% is 12,000, and variable 40% is 8,000. Okay, but per unit we need not to calculate because per unit is not given. Same way even for repairs, fixed out of 2,000, 60% is 1,200, variable 800. Okay, so we have to take three amount columns 70%, 80%, and 90%. No required of per unit column. So 80% capacity, indirect labor is given 12,000. It is a variable, so we cannot take the same amount for a 12,000 into 12,000 into what are the percentage we required, 70% and or 90%. 12,000 divided by 80 because it is given for 80%, so we can take 12,000 divided by 80 into 70%. If you do, you will get the amount for 70% column. 90% if you multiply, you will get the amount for 90% column. If you multiply, you will get 10,500, 13,500. Same way even for a stores they are given 4,000 divided by 80, 4,000 divided by 80 into 70% or 90%. If you calculate, you will get 3,500, 4,500. Next heading is semi-variable. Next, semi-variable. Semi-variable, power and repairs given. Power fixed. We already calculated. Power fixed is 12,000. So all the column it is same 12,000. All the column 12,000. For variable we calculated 8,000. So divided by 80 into 70 or 90. 8,000 is for 80% capacity, 7,000 and 9,000. If you calculate, you will get. Even for a repairs, fixed we calculated 1,200. So fixed means all the amount column is same. We have to write. Variable we calculated 800 divided by 80 into 70 and 90%. You will get 800, 700, 900. Next, variable overheads. Sorry, fixed overheads means all the amounts is similar in all the column. 11,000, 3,000, 10,000. So all the columns you have to write same amounts. Now you can take the total overheads. You get total 58,900, 62,000, 65,100. Okay, after that we have to calculate labor hours. So labor hours is given for 80% capacity. It is given 1,24,000. With that we have to calculate 1,24,000 divided by 80 into 70% or 90%. If you multiply, you will get 1,08,500, 1,39,500. To get labor hours, total overheads divided by labor hours, that is 58,900 divided by 1,08,500. Answer will get 0.54. Same way here, 62,000 divided by 1,24,000. Answer will get 0.50. 65,100 divided by 1,39,500. Answer will get 0.47.